So I'm making breakfast and I came outside to get some shiso and lamb's quarters, and they came out here by the crepe myrtle tree, and I heard this cicada chirping and it sounded kind of distressed. So I thought maybe it was injured or stuck or something. But there's a praying mantis eating it, so I ran in to get my phone. So I'm gonna switch to my front camera and record it. That's about it. Yeah, that's about all I can get. I got stuff on the stove. I gotta get back in there. That's about it.